I understand if you couldn't come. I know you've been going through a lot right now. Hello?
Hey, Alyssa. I've got something you might want.
Des? Who is this? Tell me who you are and why you have Des's phone.
Oh, Alyssa. You people think it's so easy to joke around. Unless you think Des is a joke.
Please don't do this.
I need $10,000 in cash. Meet me in the parking garage.
Des? Des, are you okay?
I'm sorry.
Des, you don't have to be sorry. We're gonna be
I'm
okay.
sorry.
We're gonna be okay. You don't have to be sorry. What do you want with us? You have your money. Just take it and leave us alone.
Oh, Alyssa. I'm having fun. We're all having fun. Making my job a little difficult.
What are you gonna do? Kill us?
I'm not gonna kill you. She is. Take it. Take it!
Des?
Shoot her.
No. I'm not gonna do it.
Shoot her!
No!
Shoot her. No! No! Shoot her, or I'll shoot you too.
Des? What are you doing? Des? You killed him. Just in time we can call the police.
No. Do you know how it feels to be left out? To be poor? To be unnoticed?
You can have the money. Just let me go.
And listen, I'm having fun.